Today we're making a best-selling cake recipe from my bakery. This cookie dough layer cake is a vanilla chocolate chip cake with a creamy cookie dough buttercream frosting. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and gather your ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, add in the canola oil, cane sugar, vanilla extract, heavy whipping cream, and eggs. Then whisk together to combine the wet ingredients. This cake recipe is super flexible, so if you want to use a hand mixer or a stand mixer for this step as well, that also works, but it's just so easy to mix up in just one bowl. Next, we're going to add in the dry ingredients, the cake flour, the baking powder, and the salt. Then fold together with a spatula until you have a smooth cake batter. Then we're going to add in the mini chocolate chips and fold to combine them completely. If you don't have mini chocolate chips, you can use regular sized chocolate chips. But the regular chocolate chips are bigger, so therefore they're heavier. This makes them sink a little bit easier in cake, which is why I like using the minis. Then transfer the cake batter to 3 6-inch cake pans that are lined with parchment paper. I like to weigh them so that they're even. This helps to ensure that they bake evenly, but also so the layers look even as we're frosting this naked cake style. Then it's time to bake them at 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once the cakes have cooled completely, make the frosting by adding softened butter to a stand mixer along with brown sugar and vanilla extract. Then we're going to add in sifted powdered sugar. This cookie dough buttercream was so popular at my bakery and I know you're going to love it. Mix on low until combined and then speed the mixer up to high and whip. Once everything seems to be combined, add in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk as needed to get the right consistency. We want this frosting to be stiff, but we also want it to be soft enough to pipe out of a piping bag. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl partway through mixing to ensure everything is combined completely and you have a smooth and creamy buttercream. Once the frosting is done, fit a piping bag with a Teco tip number 827 or any open star tip will work. Transfer the frosting to the piping bag. Start by placing your first cake layer bottom side down on your cake stand or cake plate. I like to place this bottom side down as then it's flush with the plate. Starting at the outer edge of the cake, pipe a spiral of frosting into the middle. And the trick is to start on the outer edge because this is the part that you're actually going to see, so you want it to look nice. The inside really doesn't matter that much. Place the second cake layer on top, and I like to do this bottom side up. This is because this part is the flattest and it will ensure that the cake looks flat and straight. Repeat the spiral of buttercream on the second cake layer and then top with the third cake layer, bottom side up as well. Then finish with the remaining frosting. I like to add a little sprinkle of mini chocolate chips on top of the cake too. Then this cookie dough layer cake is done and you will have just made one of my best-selling cakes from my bakery. I know this cake will impress everyone at your next party. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more bakery cake style recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.